Good evening, Rotarian MC Dinesh. I extend you a warm welcome to this evening on public image. When I and Nalini were putting this program together, we thought there is no one better who can tell us about the government and the bureaucracy sector on how to improve our public image for RCB. So I'll quickly start with a question that why is government important for public image of RCB?
Thank you, Naveen, and I should thank Nalini and you for creating this what should I say, a platform where you thought you should be able to bring about the fact that the government will play an important role in the way we can build up our public image. Two issues. One, generally speaking, image building is an exercise which is extremely important, either it is an institution or an individual. And I believe Rotary, it itself has a name which is extremely dynamic, okay, because it does so many things. Right. And RCB, Rotary Club of Bangalore, being the first club in Karnataka and the oldest club, itself adds more value. Being a RCB in itself is a very proud feeling. And now addressing to the extreme members, what role that the government and RCB can play in building up the public image of RCB is very important. Somebody like me who has been in touch with the bureaucrats and the government, being a part of the FKCCI and ASEA for so many years, it has always been my endeavor to keep in touch with the bureaucrats and politicians. Reason is, they are one is the elected representative and the other one is the executor. So because it is the bureaucrats who execute all that is decided by the politicians or by the public, what is seen. So I have always felt, because as the president of FKCCI, ASEA, there were so many times that I had to meet a politician or a minister, so let's use the word a minister, or a bureaucrat who heads the MSME or the industry or the trade, where we had to go and express to them the challenges that we are facing and trying to find a source where we will be able to win against those odds. RCB is always in the forefront of doing something unique every year. If you look at the previous year, that is this year, existing year, where we have a couple of days for us to close off this. Let's understand, even during the challenging times of pandemic, RCB has come out in flying colors. Right. Each of us members have contributed in their own might. Each of the directors have played their role to the ultimate, even though there were challenges of not meeting anybody and going. So I would always believe that it is important that we keep the networking going. And if you want to have a great image, the networking should be very strong. Absolutely. And in the 260 plus people what we have, each one has his own depth of network. And I have always believed that we should take that forward. Ultimately, it is not the image of RCB. We are trying to build an image so that we can serve the community. That is the way it is. So, for example, if you look at in the last so many years, we have touched the lives of children, we've touched the life of people during health. But this year, if you look at when we decided, thanks to President Vincent and Ranga, who sat out and decided what they would like to do this year, and choosing me to be the Director of Community Service, gave us an opportunity to start working on the PHCs. And this PHCs did play a vital role in the COVID times. And I'm very happy and proud to tell that 92 lakh rupees is the type of amount that we have spent during COVID times. Thanks to our two big CSR partners in College Aerospace, who gave us 50 lakhs, and the other we've been Stopac, who gave us about 27 lakhs, I think. So amazing, confidence on the two CSR partners. Again, that has been an image building, because without knowing us, they wouldn't have given money. So there is an image already built. And I have always built, when we have to look at, for example, when we did the Anganwadis, we needed the right people to go and get contact, touch with them, make sure the government gives us, and we build that confidence in the government that this Rotary Club has the capabilities to deliver and improve the lifestyle of the poor of the poorest. So for me, or anybody for that matter, we need to work with the government, with the politicians, with the bureaucrats, which will always, fetches more, what should I say, fetches more areas where we can get in. Because as a common man, as a common club, we will not be able to get into those areas. But when you know the right people with an image of what you have built, I'm sure we will be able to do much more than what others can. Other competitors can really work on.
Absolutely. It is so challenging, but yet so much satisfying. The work you have done as community services director, it is very impressive in these challenging times. So how did you open up avenues in these departments to position RCB? Because there are a lot of clubs, a lot of social clubs who will want to work with government, but how did you start this?
I think again the homework must have been done by President Vincent and Ranga, because they must have thought if we are getting into the PHCs, we should look at somebody who can take us directly to the right people. And for me, that has been an advantage. I've had great connections, even though I've been a past president a couple of years back, but I've always tried to maintain relationship irrespective of the person, whether he's a bureaucrat or a politician, as a good friend. To me, networking is something like I believe networking. So I've always believed that. And there's nothing wrong to go and meet anybody. Even if you don't know somebody, I can always ask another friend or another bureaucrat friend to tell me, why don't you connect me? And this is what I'm trying to do. And that's how we got connected to so many, different areas of service what we wanted to render.
Great. So thank you very much for your time, and we would definitely need your guidance in the coming years. So we would want you to mentor us on how we can improve the public image of RCB in the government sector. Thank you once again. Have a good evening.
I will always do my best. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I will be more than happy to walk shoulder to shoulder with all the leaders with whom we can work to build up a stronger and a more vibrant community in the future. Thank you.
Thank you very much.